when the session is ending, there is so much unity that is being felt in the space, and the client is describing that they didn't really receive enough of what they needed, or something was really missing for them. And the practitioner is getting a little bit emotionally involved with the story and feeling that they really need to explain why the things didn't happen that way, or how come the receiver wasn't really available to receive all of that was given. And conflict is happening between the giver and the receiver, and there is not anymore the very clear presence of love and kindness that can allow the receiver to be understood, even if they feel that they didn't really get everything they needed. We really want to understand how can we divide, and how can we take ourselves a little bit out from that equation. They didn't feel trust, but not necessarily because we cannot provide trust. They didn't feel that they received what they need, but not necessarily because we didn't give them enough. A really good technique that we can use is, first of all, understanding well what is the exact feeling and need that we have about being accepted by others, about feeling that we do give enough, and how can we make sure that when such a reaction of telling us that we didn't give the right thing, that we didn't support in a good way, that somebody didn't really feel that they could trust us, we want to be in a place that can hear it, and yet separate their story from the objective situation that happened. During becoming fluent, we're going to take this very important core aspect of the ability to give service for others in a disengaged way, and to see every situation in a better objective way that can serve us in the clinic, and of course can serve us also in our daily life in different kind of dynamics with our family and friends.